Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are here today in Arsal camp with Islamic Relief Lebanon and our donors and supporters from Islamic Relief UK and Task Force GLM on behalf of Green Lane Masjid in Birmingham, who alhamdulillah have supported this initiative, this project of food distribution to the most vulnerable families here, destitute and displaced Syrian refugees that have come across the border into Arsal and into Beqa. Islamic Relief is simply a vehicle to reach these families in these remote areas. We would not be able to provide this support without the support of our brothers and our sisters at Green Lane Mosque and in the community that come together to help us. So on behalf of the people here, when they receive the food, when they receive the food packs, they raise their hand and they make dua for you, and nothing we can say will do justice to their du'as, but on behalf of the organization and the people that we have met, and from the bottom of our hearts, I just want to say Jazakumullahu khairan to every single person that supported this initiative, inshallah. May your efforts weigh heavy on the scales on the Day of Judgment, and may these people be witnesses for you on the day we need them the most. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum.